Suminagashi is a centuries-old Japanese technique, and it means literally floating ink. So to create these mesmerising patterns, you float sumi ink on top of water, and you create white space by using soapy water to create rings, waves, all sorts. First, you load your brushes with the prepared ink, and then you start creating. The patterns respond to the environment around you. So it will pick up the vibrations of the air, the vibrations of the earth, your breath, your movements. So no two patterns are the same. I have a full tutorial step by step. It's a very easy process that hardly uses any materials. There are ways of moving the ink to create patterns. Here I'm actually using hair I pulled out of my head to create these little stars. You could use a cat's whiskers. You can waft the air above the water to create eddies and currents. You can flick the water to create little waves within it. And when you have created the pattern that you want, or should I actually say that the water and the ink wants, then you can print from it. I'm using a rice paper here, but you can use all sorts of different papers to get different effects. And it's as simple as that. You take it out very carefully, let it dry, and find what you've got. And you may have fascinating marks. Well, you will have fascinating marks that couldn't be created any other way.